Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hi, introducing me Ova Pratiwi from class 2C Informatic Management. Okay, in this video I will explain about processing and computer information technology and why it's important to learn information technology. First of all, we have to know what is meant by computing. The term computing describes the concept and object related to software computing. Computing is an umbrella term usually used to refer to the processing power, memory, network, storage, and other resources needed to make program computation successful. For example, application that run machine learning algorithm or 3D graphic rendering function require gigabyte of RAM and multiple CPU to run successfully. In this case, the required CPU, RAM, and graphic processing unit are referred to as computing resources, and the application is referred to as a computation-intensive application. While what is meant by information technology is hardware and software to carry out one or a number of data processing tasks such as capturing, transmitting, storing, retrieving, and manipulating or displaying data. Broadly speaking, information technology can be grouped into two parts, namely hardware and software. Hardware concerns physical equipment such as memory, printer, scanner, mouse, keyboard, and many others. Software is related to instructions to set the hardware so that it can work according to the purpose of the instruction given. According to Huck, in 2000, he divided information technology into 6 groups, namely input technology, output technology, software technology, storage technology, telecommunication technology, and processing machine, or better known as CPU. And then, input technology is any device used to enter data or information from its original source. Example of this technology include barcode scanner and keyboard. Barcode scanner are example of input technology commonly used in supermarket to enter sales data. In order for information to be received by user who need it, information needs to be presented to various forms. In this case, the output technology has a big enough contribution. In general, information in the form of writing is presented on the monitor, but sometimes users want information printed or on paper, hard copy. In circumstances like this, a printer device is needed. Telecommunication technology is a technology that enables long-distance relationship. Internet and ATM are examples of technologies that utilize communication technology. Processing machine, or better known as CPU, is an important part in information technology, which function to remember data or programs in the form of memory component and execute programs in the form of CPU component. When talking about technology, of course, it cannot be separate from human life. As long as human civilization still exists, technology will continue to be the most important thing in life. What is currently becoming a trend and is being widely discussed is information and communication technology, which is one of the most important things in this century. It cannot be denied that information technology cannot be separated from human life, starting from small children to parents, small trader to big entrepreneur, whether they realize it or not. they are so dependent on information technology. Therefore, we must continue to sensitive to today's technological advances because they are as important to us they are today. Moreover, we as information technology students must continue to follow the development of this technology. The goal is to 1. To able to think computationally, namely being able to think computationally in creating solutions to solve problems systematically, critically, and analytically, and creatively. 2. Understand science including computer systems, computer network, and the internet, data analysis, programming algorithm, and be aware of the impact of informatics on people's life. 3. Skill in creating simple computational artifacts by utilizing technology and applying engineering process and integrating knowledge in the other field from systematic solutions. 4. Able to communicate, collaborate, to be creative, and use information technology devices with a sense of concern for the impact on social life. 5. Skill in the access, managing, interpreting, integrating, evaluating information, and creating new information from the data set, and information is managed by utilizing appropriate information technology. I think that's enough from me about computing and information technology. So we as humans who live in this century are no longer appropriate if we are not familiar with information technology, because the existence of technology will make it easier for us in our daily. That's all from me. If there are mistakes, please forgive me. Bye-bye.